Hi there, I am delighted to say that this year CFRT is going virtual. In this period, we would like to stay connected with our CFRT community and highlight topics as regulation and the digital industry future. An amazing speaker lineup of industry experts and academia across Europe and the globe is waiting for you. CFRT Virtual will take place 15 and 16 September, and as an interactive event, it will have a lot of networking opportunity. So at this point, what are you waiting for? Register now and be part of our CFRT community. Please take a look at our website here and looking forward to see you there. Ciao, arrivederci.